If you're not familiar with phpMyAdmin, it can seem very overwhelming at first, but it's very user-friendly and super easy to learn. Now, phpMyAdmin is actually an open-source PHP-based web application used for managing MySQL databases over the web. phpMyAdmin gives a phenomenal user interface where you can easily manage all of your MySQL and SQL needs. phpMyAdmin allows you to easily create, manage, and edit any of your MySQL databases. You can go through creating a new database very quickly, creating a new table directly following that, creating any number of tables inside of that database, and even adding additional data to the table itself. phpMyAdmin also gives you a very quick and easy way to run SQL queries directly on your server itself. This amazing web application even allows you to export and fully back up all of your databases and tables and information stored inside of MySQL. You can then take that to any other server you want and then re-import them into your new server. If you're looking to create new user accounts for MySQL, phpMyAdmin's got you covered there too. Taking you through another straightforward interface, allowing you to easily create new accounts, including selecting and managing all the applicable permissions that you want any of those user accounts to have. Now, if you're looking to make sure you keep your phpMyAdmin installation up to date and working to the best of its ability, it gives you a couple of quick links on the homepage, allowing you to quickly reference the official documentation from the phpMyAdmin.net website, as well as easily update your software. Now, if you're looking to learn more about phpMyAdmin, be sure to check out the entire playlist in the description, or you can move on to the next video in the series by clicking the video card on the screen now. Thanks for watching.